So you got the welcome, a couple of business things for the week, and I'm going to show you where there's some resources for you. So first thing, you're going to notice the agenda. I will put, like I always do, kind of important reminders up for you. This one says end of the quarter is this Friday. Any makeup work due by Thursday at 11:59. You can email anything that's on paper. So engagement points, makeup, or any paper assignments, just take a picture, send them by email. Anything in Schoology, you're going to submit like normal. If you scroll down past the agenda, you're going to see a new folder called Distance Learning Weekly Plans. And once you get into this folder, it'll have the kind of work that we're doing each week. You can see that I have a few weeks loaded already. Generally speaking, it tells you the hours that I'm available. This week, technically, it's Monday through Friday, 9 to 11 and 1 to 3. But starting next week, these are the hours and the days: Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So Wednesdays are really not school days for you. You can use those as work days or catch-up days or whatever you need to do. The one thing that's different is I am planning to have Mondays be a video office hours from 11 to noon. And so I'm working on trying to figure out how to use Zoom so that if you want to actually talk to me instead of just emailing, you could log in that way. So that is my hope. I'm going to try that today. If you want to give it a whirl, give it a whirl. But once we open up the week of March 30 to April 3rd, that's this week, you're going to see this same kind of setup each week. So directions for the week, the daily discussions folder, and then we're calling it the weekly module, which would be the other assignments that you have. So when I open up directions of the week, it lays everything out for you. It says this week you will have one assignment on Japanese internment. And then really the rest of the week, I'm going to give you work time to finish up the unit assessment on World War II. Everybody, if you go way back to that week before we all left, everybody was supposed to have a plan for which parts they were going to do for the project. One person from each group should submit a link to your finished Sutori site, and I will score these as a group. So make sure you're doing your part so you're not letting down your group mates. The deadline for the group assessment is Friday, April 3rd, and that goes on your quarter 3 grade with the Japanese internment assignment and then any other work we did quarter 3. So the one thing that's going to be a little different, I need to do attendance, and it says on here, except Wednesdays this week. That is not accurate. It's every day. So it says each day you will see a discussion. Let's try that again. Each day you will see a discussion that will be open by 9 a.m. Post a response to the discussion by 11:59 p.m. That's how I'm taking attendance. So once we get to 11:59, the discussion closes and you basically miss out on engagement points for the day. So it's important that you check in each day. Sometimes the assignment is going to be kind of an ongoing assignment like the World War II assessment. Sometimes it'll be something different. So once you open up on Monday after 9, you'll see that discussion posted. The way we're going to do this is the discussions are really going to be focused on what's going on right now, and I'll give you a preview for the first one. It says, we're currently living through a moment in time that will almost definitely make history in future textbooks, given that this is a history class. Part of your final project that you're going to be doing is to document the experience that you're living through right now. And part of that will be through these discussion prompts. We're going to start getting you to start thinking about, what's going on in your life. So I am looking for 3 to 4 sentences focused on whatever the prompt question is, and that's really your attendance for the day. So the first one for Monday will be, what do you remember about when you first heard about coronavirus? So where were you, if you go back however many weeks it was, where were you, what were you thinking? And that's our starting point for today. So again, if you have questions, you're going to email me. If you are curious, you want to try office hours today at 11. I'm going to try to post a Zoom link. I'll put it on the agenda page, and then we'll go from there. Good luck.